3.
Morning, Miss.
Good morning. Please have a seat.
Thank you, please.
Are you Miss Sartika?
Yes, Miss.
So, Miss Sartika, can we start the interview?
Yes, Miss, of course.
First of all, let me introduce myself. I'm a manager in this hotel. We have open position and post on our website.
Yes, Miss, I have read about the position on your website and I think I'm suitable for it.
Can you tell me about your education and work experience in the hospitality industry?
I graduate from the Tourist Academy with a degree in hotel management and work at CP Hotel as a receptionist for 2 years.
How was your experience in handle hotel guests?
I always strive to provide friendly and professional service.
Can you give an example of a time when you resolve a guest complaint?
Sure, there was a guest to complain about nurse from neighboring room. I immediately connected the manager to find a solution and override a placement rule.
Alright, now do you have any question for me?
Now, Miss, I think I have a good understanding of the requirements. I hope to get the opportunity to work with you.
Certainly, Miss Tika, it was nice meeting you. We will contact you within a week regarding the job.
Nice meeting you too, Miss. Thank you for your time.
You're welcome, Miss Tika.